If you want to put yellow circle around your mouse cursor, around your mouse pointer, then go to Google and write real word cursor editor and press enter. इसका की जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी मौजूद है, आप उधर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। तो इधर से हम इसको डाउनलोड करेंगे। It's downloading. Finish. Then close this link. This software is available on our desktop. Click. Now we will create a new mouse pointer. Create new mouse cursor. Click on it and click create. Now on this arrow, click here. This is outline color, fill color. It's default. Okay, keep on default. And outline width is 8. Okay. Now go to move option. Keep in center. Now here we will click on ellipse option. Click on circle. Here we will put for yellow color. If we want to light yellow, then we will put 100, 100, 0 and 77 for light yellow color. And we'll go to file, save as. From here we will select desktop yellow dot c और इसका extension जो है वो CUR रखेंगे. Then click OK. It's available on our desktop. अब देखें ये येलो कर्सर पॉइंटर और ये रेड ये हमारे पास यहाँ मौजूद हैं। अब हम इसको कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे? हम जाएंगे कंट्रोल पैनल में, हार्डवेयर एंड साउंड, and we will go on mouse position. So we will click on mouse pointer. Here we will go in browse. हमारे कहाँ पे पड़े हुए हैं? डेस्कटॉप पे. We will click on desktop. For example, we want to put yellow cursor. Apply. Okay. So we have now yellow cursor. We can use in our file to highlight our data. For this is only the PDF. That's why